Alright, what's up you guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. In today's video, we're talking about how to make $2,000 per week as a ride-share driver. Now, specifically, we're talking about driving for Lyft and for Uber. So if you're interested in signing up to be a Lyft driver, we have a bonus down below where you can sign up and get started. We're trying to get an Uber sign up bonus right now, but for now, we just have Lyft. And yeah, guys, so if you're interested in being a driver, this is a great channel for you. We talk about tips and tricks and just how to be a better Uber driver. So before we get started, click the thumbs up button. And I want to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the business app for drivers, and they have an awesome feature on here called guaranteed pay. So when you go out and drive, they're going to guarantee that you make a certain dollar amount. If you don't hit that, they're going to pay you the difference. And right now, till the end of the month, they're gonna pay you 15 bucks just for signing up completely for free, but you have to use our link because we have a promotion with them. So anywhere in the country, you can be in any state, city, Timbuktu, Idaho, sign up for Solo right now, get $15 just for signing up with our link and linking your gig account. You gotta do that, it's totally free and you get access to all these really cool features. So today we're looking at this video called How I Make $2,000 a Week Driving Lyft and Uber. Now, I've been an Uber driver, Lyft driver for about 4 years now. I've had this channel. We have a Facebook group with 20,000 members, YouTube channel, 80,000 members. I think I know a thing or two. So this comes from Ronnie, SBETV. Shout out to him. And without further ado, let's watch his video and really, I'm gonna give my honest feedback and critique on his strategy.
Most people would not hit these or get these results because they sleep and they are lazy.
Dang, this guy has a no BS attitude.
Man, it's easy, man. I'm at 500 for the week. I don't know if you can see that. 500
for the week. I'm trying to see what, how many days he's done there.
See that? For the week, I'm at 581. Easy.
It's easy, 581 for the week?
Killing the game. Pays for another $300+ day. What can I say?
This guy's got to be driving either in, I'm guessing, in New York, Los Angeles. It looks like it's pretty cool where he's driving, maybe Chicago. And it doesn't look like he's driving an XL car. It looks like he's just driving a normal car.
What can I say, man? It's easy. But yeah, man, $700, $775. 23 hours and 30 minutes, and it's only Tuesday. So.
It's only Tuesday and it already has 700 bucks.
What can I say?
By the way, those glasses on fleek, bro, on fleek.
Wasn't making much money, or there's too much competition. Okay, 11 hours, 20 minutes, 326. Easy work. I'm in beautiful Sonoma. $1,000 already. 1,000.
$1,000 in 32 hours.
$2. $157, 4 hours and 4.
You can tell right there he has his goal set to 2,000. I think he's gonna hit it.
Minutes. 1963. I know a lot of people out here bitching, complaining. Say with Uber or Lyft, oh, they don't do this, or they taking away this, or oh, I can't make enough money. Yeah. 39, 7 hours and 9 minutes.
I'm just thinking right now, if he takes some of this money and puts it aside, either in a savings account, high yield interest savings account, which by the way, sign up for Current using our link below, they're gonna pay 4% interest on your savings. But if you take some of this money and put it into a savings account, or put into stocks or crypto, and you're talking about really, if you're saving $1,000 a week, after a year, that's $50,000. You can already use that money for a down payment on a house. I mean, this is the type of freedom that you can get with, working really hard for a short amount of time.
I also have a $259 bonus after I complete one more ride. So.
Wow.
Easy money, man.
Easy. Sheesh. Look at that. 2,000 bucks. 57 hours. What's that breakdown to? 2072 divided by 57 hours. He's making $36 an hour, like, consistently. That's impressive.
60 hours, 52 minutes.
Bro!
Yeah. Here we go.
2298? 2,298 bucks.
What can I say?
That's $2,300 in 1 week. So there you have it, guys. That is the video on how to make $2,300 in 1 week. Basically, you just got to go out and drive like a maniac. You got to go out and drive 60 hours in a week, 165 rides. I mean, it's doable. But even if you're only doing 30 hours, I mean, that's still $1,000. So let me know your thoughts on this one, guys. And big shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Again, you can sign up right now and get access to the pay guarantee feature, which, like I said before, you go out and do 37 bucks for Uber, 38 for DoorDash, 37 for Instacart. And when you use our link right now, you get $15 just for simply signing up and linking your gig account. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.